Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to delete your YT videos. In order to do that, make sure you go to Studio, open up a Studio, and when you reach out to YouTube Studio, make sure you go into your content, any of the content you have on your YouTube Studio. And this is my YouTube already uploaded videos. So for that, what I have to do is click on these three dots in order for me to delete any video. Click on these three dots. And in here, you'll find an option called Delete Forever. Click on Delete Forever option and make sure you click on I understand that deleting a draft video from YouTube is permanent and cannot be undone. Click on that and click on Delete Draft Video, because this is a draft video, but if it was not a draft video, we would have deleted it on other basis. So make sure to delete it, and that way, boom, your video has been deleted. And if you find this video really helpful and you think this channel really helps you, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel, because we are going to create more such contents in our coming days. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.